Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about the stimulus payment of $1,400. Before I get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribe. I will try to personally reply to your comments. So today I'm going to share an article I found online from Business Insiders, which discusses the stimulus payment of $1,400. Let me share my screen. So the article goes on to say, stimulus payment cleared another hurdle as a House committee approves 1,400 checks along party lines. The House Ways and Means Committee on Thursday approved some measures in President Joe Biden's stimulus package, including 1,400 direct payment to Americans. In total, the committee approved $593.5 billion in benefits with a vote along party lines, Bloomberg reported. Biden's $1.9 trillion rescue package also includes $400 a week federal unemployment benefits, an increased child tax credit, and aid to local and state governments. So the package Biden proposed will include $400 weekly for federal unemployment benefits. That's for people that's lost their job. They will receive the 400 weekly. And there's also a proposal of increasing the child tax credit and aid to local and state governments. The article continues to say the $600 rebate that Congress delivered in December did not do enough. Democrat Republican Susan Delben said during committee discussion on Thursday, according to Bloomberg, this is critical relief to help families weather this crisis. Under Biden's plan, individuals making up to $75,000 and couples making up to $150,000 would get $1,400 checks. The payments have been a controversial part of Biden's package as Republicans and some Democrats have opposed them. Democrats have floated a plan to issue the payments to individuals earning $50,000 or less, but that was met with opposition by progressives, including Senator Bernie Sanders and Representative Alexandra Ocasio-Cortez. On Tuesday, Biden included that he supported keeping the income threshold at $75,000. So that is a interesting part because there was talk of reducing the income threshold from 75 to 50,000. If that was passed, a lot of people making above 50,000 would not get the stimulant like they receive the first time around. So that's an interesting development there. The article continues to say, House Democrat on Monday introduced legislation with Biden's original thresholds, Insider reported, but that legislation would restrict the amount of higher earners phasing out direct payments for individuals making more than 100,000 and couples making more than 200,000. Different House committee are working on aspects of the stimulant package. So it's possible that another part of the plan will change before it's brought to a vote. The chamber is expected to vote on the whole package during the week of February 22nd. The House Ways and Means Committee also on Thursday approved advanced child tax credits and tax credits for low-income workers. So the article from the Business Insider really give a brief summary of the status of the 1,400 stimulus payment. So it looked like, based on this article, it's progressing. The stimulant package is making progress, making a lot of improvement in getting passed. There's a lot going on, so the package is moving forward from different stages. It's been approved. I think it's going to be good if this 1,400 can be passed and give out to the people. The people of America, we need the payment. There's a lot of people that are out of work. They need the money to help them to take care of their basic needs, their rent, put food on their table for their family. And so, even though it might enable to cover everything, but 1,400 will be better than nothing. So hopefully, Congress can go ahead and have this $1,400 stimulant finalized by the end of February. Thanks for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.